So you see how Lexi bounces a bit, jumps up. That's just pain going through her back legs. And because of this pain, makes it extremely uncomfortable for her to walk, as you can see. And this was causing the dog to become rather lash out in aggression towards people and other dogs. She's 11 years old and she's Holly's mate, the little Kelpie we saw her yesterday with the pack. So we're going to put her in the pool just so we can give the owner an idea of what or how to best exercise this dog, since it's going to be pretty hard to get any sort of walking without straining this dog and making her feel a lot more relaxed. But it's definitely must be a very painful experience for her.
Oh, hang on, it's back left one. She's not using that back right one, she's cracking along.
Okay, so here's our little girl in the pool. Best method of exercise for a dog like this, of course. There we go. He just started using her leg, so you can see that it must be a back left here that is causing most of the pain. She's not moving it around as much. So hopefully they're going to be able to find somebody where they live to do some physiotherapy with her and just to help her all around. You see she's not really moving that left at all. Hey princess. Hey baby girl. So it's said that about 20% of behaviour issues can be linked to health problems. So it's always a good thing to sort of see your vet, know your dog as well, know that if the dog is unwell, because that's what could be causing the pain. And then I'm 100% sure in this case that this dog's back legs and the pain that it goes through is always irritating. So, you know, when you're in a bit of pain, you can't be bothered with people and they come around, you're more likely or more easier to sort of snap. And this is how the dog is doing it as well. I just noticed just then in the back, she moves her legs straight out the back. She's actually not rotating in the leg. So it's definitely a cause of bother for her. Because this right leg is going perfectly as it should be. It's just the left one that it's not. Alright, so we're just going to keep having a bit of a swim around with this beautiful girl and we'll see how we go.